Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial, and this is actually a follow-up video for people who have seen my previous video on how to change out an image on Canva, and I've got a lot of questions asking about how I can put a new image back in when I swap out the picture in the frame. So let me show you the whole process again. So let's say you have a frame here and you want to get the image off. So one way to do this is to right click and go detach image, and now your image is out. So what you do now is just to delete this image and you have the frame here. If you want a new image, you can just go and find a picture. Let's say you want to use this running picture instead. Now that it's here, you can just drag it over the frame and it should automatically like suck the picture in and put it into the frame. So let's do this again. You can right click and detach image. And now that it's here, you can move it back in and it'll put the image back in. So I hope that makes everything clear. I can put two images here and show you how that would look like. First, if you already have an image here, you can right click, detach image, drag that aside so that it's not anywhere near the frame, and then put the new image in, and that's how you change out an image in a frame in Canva. I hope that makes everything more clear, and thanks for watching.